Hi, I am Tejo on two wheels and we are at Amieira do Tejo on day one of lés-a-lés. Here is an actual castle. And here are some actual damsels. That's one thin wall. So that's the outside wall. This is the inside door. And here's the arms field where you would gather your soldiers for defense. With some rest of some buildings here. Not sure what this would be. Filmar. So where are we going? Let's go into the dungeons. That's what I wanted to show you. The route around the wall may be dangerous. Please take great care. Not using a helmet that obscures the lower half of your vision might be a good idea. Photographs. National monument since 1922. 4 towers, blah blah blah. When was it built? No idea. Where are the dungeons? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is just an exhibit. So it's just an exhibit upstairs. Yeah, now I want to show you the castle, not the new stuff. So let's go around the walls. Did you know that castles usually had the stairs going to the right, so that the defenders, no, to the left actually, they spiral left, or is it, hang on, sorry, yeah, they spiral right, sorry, so that guys coming up have their swords on the right side and their shields on the left, so whoever's coming up is exposed, and whoever's coming down is not, has the shield on the inside. Let's go around this way. Again, castle's always in a high place. Fire. I'm filming. They were short people then. Look at this. I'm 1.74 meters tall and I do not fit in here. This is a great place for shooting arrows out of. The thing that always strikes me about these castles is just how small they are. This is a width of one person. It's hard for 2 people to cross each other here. And if enemies invade, everyone on the walls can just turn around and start shooting that way. Yeah, getting into this castle would be just murder, because the whole wall would just turn and start firing that way. In another tower, that one's pointing this way, this one's pointing that way, the next one should be pointing that way. Sorry for my being out of breath. This is a Portuguese actor. Always comes with a Yamaha. Yamaha sponsors his rides here. See? So each one of these big towers is looking at a different direction. Look, my bike down there. Now this way. And we are going to go the whole way around. Can go upstairs, but I am not going to show you that. And you have stuff like this a bit everywhere in Portugal. Let me just use both my hands because this is a big... I'm not going to go this way with my helmet. I'm going to go through the other stairs. Because I can't see down and it's just too dangerous. Also, a pretty cool little detail of defense is that the stairs going up usually have one step that's a bit larger than the rest. A defender knows and compensates for that step. An attacker doesn't and trips. There's some dungeons here I wanted to show you guys too. It said outside that you could see some dungeons. It's there. Maybe they didn't open it. And I don't see the Traitor's Gate. I really don't. Nope, no Traitor's Gate. Maybe it's that. Traitor's Gate is the rear emergency exit from the castle, which is called Traitor's Gate because that's where a traitor would open the gate to open the castle to invasion. That's probably it. And the dungeon's probably under that, and that is closed, so that's it. A small castle, a small defensive fortification. There's a lot of them in the border with Spain. I wonder why. So that's it. Tejo out.